Hey friends, welcome back to Christy's Adventures. Today, my husband and I, along with our adorable fur babies, are setting off on an exciting adventure to explore a ghost town. We're hitting the unknown trails in search of our next perfect camping spot. But just a heads up, our journey takes a twist when we hit some snowy terrain. So grab your gear and join us as we uncover the mysteries of the past and embrace the beauty of nature. Let's drive into this adventure together. Chalice National Forest. Hey friends, welcome to Christy's Adventures. The hubby and I and fur babies are just enjoying a little day drive. So beautiful. Got the beautiful mountains. Look at that. So pretty. Wait. Okay, come on. Let's go this way. Come on. Stretch your legs. Where's Dada? You good girl. Don't go far, babies. Wow. Good babies. So this is where we're at. Earthquake. So I guess this dip right over here was caused by an earthquake. Come on, Annie. Back over here, baby. Good girl. The event. There's a bucket. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Good boy. He's right by his dada. Rocky, go in the Bronco.
The Bronco.
They're so cute and they're so good. I just love them so much. Isn't this beautiful? Wow. Hi. What you guys doing? Moose? Where's the moo? See, here's a sign about the earthquake. Happened on October 28th, 1983. And this is Idaho's highest peak. Look at that Bucky. Definitely a lot prettier in the daytime.
Grandview Canyon. I saw something.
Oh, they did. Doggies just saw something. I don't know what they saw. What'd you see, babies? I know it wasn't a moo. What'd you see? What'd you see? Something perked you guys up. Area. What do you think you're doing? Rocky, what are you doing? You watching them?
That was really cool up there.
Is it really cool?
Yeah.
Stay. Wait. Okay. Good babies. You're going to hike?
Well, that's pretty fresh.
This is Bay Horse Ghost Town. Look at all that. So cool. What, babies? What? Annie's crying for me. What? What? Hi.
Yeah, dogs are fine.
And our pass on our Bronco pays for this. But if you do come up here and you don't have the pass, it's $7. Wow. Look at that. Spooky ghost town. Look at all this stuff, guys. Wow. What a big old chain. Are you gonna see ghosts, Rocky?
Yeah, I just...
Wow. Oh, look at that. The trees. Oh my gosh. Should we go that way first or go that way when we come back?
Whatever. Go this way.
Rocky sees something. He sees a ghost. You guys see ghosts, Rocky? Wow, the view they got. Cannot believe the view. It's beautiful up here right now. The breeze is a little chilly, but that's it. Sun feels so good. I think it's supposed to be 50 over here today. So not bad. Whoa. Dang. You want to fix that up, babe?
Yeah, I think that's a little, fixed up.
Hey, you got all the parts, got the doors.
I ain't nothing farther unless you want to walk in snow.
I'm just gonna go as far as I can and just look. because I'm curious. Yeah, snow is just a little bit too deep, even with these awesome shoes. It's okay, babies. I'm not going any farther. It's okay. You guys are like stretching daddy's arm out, trying to see what their mama's doing. Wow. Eating snow. Oh, look at the little tunnel.
Bay Horse Ghost Town in Idaho, established during the Idaho Gold Rush of the late 1860s, was once a thriving hub for miners seeking fortune in the nearby mountains. At its peak, the town boasted around 1,000 residents, complete with saloons, a post office, and a school. However, like many mining towns, its prosperity was short-lived. By the 1880s, the gold ran out, leading to a rapid decline in population. Today, Bay Horse is shrouded in legends of hauntings, with tales of restless spirits from its mining days, attracting ghost hunters and paranormal enthusiasts. Visitors can explore the abandoned structures, including crumbling homes and old saloons, which provide a fascinating glimpse into the past. With easy access off Highway 93, Bay Horse is a must-visit for road trip enthusiasts and history buffs alike. Incorporating stories of notable figures from its past can further engage viewers, making them eager to share their thoughts and plan their own visit to this captivating ghost town.
Kids sure missed out. I mean, Alexia had a birthday party, but... He's so cute. You watching for ghosts, Rocky? And Annie, you guys watching for ghosts? She's starting to shed. How tiny that door is. Oh yeah, those stairs are pretty sketchy. Oh my gosh, it's like slanted. Wow. Oh, she hears the water. Wait, guys. The water. Wait for Dada. Daddy's gonna go through first.
That was easier. I'd say probably get turned around.
Huh?
I'd say we're able to get turned around.
Yeah.
Kind of a far drive for just that, though.
Yeah, but now we can go look for camp spots. I highly suggest you guys make it up over here. So pretty. Maybe just not during off season. Shoes are amazing, guys. Got to get yourself some barefoot shoes. Buy zero shoes. Poor Rocky. He's like, whatever, Dad. Now she doesn't want to walk. She's like, what was that? Did Daddy scare you? There's our dirty Bucky. Look at her.
Oh, how the heck did you fall out?
Rocky! We're seeing how far we can make it. Look at that. It's a Bronco. She doing good. Hello. Doesn't look like anyone has been up there for winter, all winter. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so cool. Even though there's snow, it feels so nice. The hubby's gonna try to leave me. Just kidding. He loves me too much. Yeah. We're definitely gonna be coming back when all the snow's melted, guys. Oh, just the sound of the creek, water, the breeze going through the trees. It's a beautiful day to be here. So peaceful. Look at that. Look at that. So cool. If we had a winch, recovery boards, and a shovel at least, I think we would definitely go up this, but not having everything, yeah, we don't feel like getting stuck. I mean, our Bucky probably would be fine, but it's just, I'd rather be safe than sorry. What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Huh? Mr. Cool Kid? You think you're the cool kid? Stay back there. No sneaking up. If you stay back, I'll get you a treat when we get out. But no, no more farting though. Because you've been stinking it up in here, buddy. Why are you so stinking cute? Why are you so cute? Why? Say hi, friends. So you better subscribe to me. Check this out, guys. We had to pull over to get pictures and, of course, a video of it. It's a little old Nissan. Hey, Bucky. Hi, Mr. Slim. He's got fishing poles. It's beautiful old sawmill station. Let their legs stretch out. Come on, let's try to go potties. Oh, look at that. She see? What do you hear, Annie? What do you hear, baby girl? Look at that. So beautiful. Hi, Annie. It's a beautiful day to be out. Oh, you got scratchy, scratchy? Oh, itchy, itchy. Itchy, itchy. What do you hear, baby girl? What is that? I think I heard someone whistle. Is that what you heard? You're so pretty. I love you so much. Good boy. He went potty. Now he's ready to go off-roading some more. You guys are so good. Dang. Let's see. Annie's our water dog. See if she goes in. She's pulling you. Yummies. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This would be a good camping spot. Look at that Bucky girl. Gorgeous. She's our water dog. Shocked she didn't lay down. Oh, yep, there she goes. She's like, don't, let me go down. I want to lay down. You're a water girl? Gosh, it's beautiful. Wow, guys. Oh, I cannot believe how nice it is. Last time I looked, it said it was 55, but this would be a good camping spot. Like, I'm just checking it out. The only thing I don't like, it is right on the highway, as you can see. But this is all one camping spot, it looks like. Got the fire pit. Yeah, he's definitely freaking out. Where's my mom doing? And just these mountains. Right now we are heading towards Salmon, along the Salmon River.
Now you whine.
Now you're whining? Are you whining now, little nubby doe? My little boy. Hi, baby girl. I am just ready to go camping. I can't stop looking around. So beautiful. Going on a little walk. Probably not too far. You two are so cute. Oh my gosh, I am so glad we got out today. Are you, Rocky? You glad? little girl. Ooh, there's ants here. Ooh. They don't bite you, little feets, Rocky. So I swear bugs love you. Mr. Allergy Dog, Mr. Vet Dog. Gets mosquito bites like all the time when we're camping. Please, if you guys know of any good mosquito repellent for dogs, please leave it in the comment, because this guy gets eaten up by mosquitoes.
Come on.
Stuck. Dead end.
Not really.
Look here, guys. The Lewis and Clark historical map of Salmon, Idaho. Well, should we get him and walk this a little bit? Or see something else? Oh, yeah, it's closed. I am sure our fur babies are freaking out right now because we thought we couldn't bring them over here. But they've been coming out every stop. Except for this one.
Embrace the serenity of the journey as we glide along a snow-kissed trail where every turn unveils nature's wonderland. The soft crunch of snow beneath our tires harmonizes with the gentle whispers of the wind, creating a soothing symphony that captivates our senses. In this landscape, the beautiful green trees stand, and the world seems to pause, inviting us to lose ourselves in its beauty. As we navigate the winding path, let the breathtaking views inspire a sense of wonder and peace. Each mile brings us closer to a destination that promises warmth and joy, reminding us that the journey itself is a treasure. Drive slow, breathe deep, and relish in the quiet moments that allow you to connect with nature's artistry. It's not just about reaching the end, it's about savoring every snow-dusted moment along the way, where the beauty of the ride is as enchanting as the arrival. So, let your heart and spirit be guided by the snowy path, leading you to your dreams and unforgettable memories.
Sweet. It's close to Montana. Here's the pass sign. National Historic Landmark. So that was a little thick and it's like super muddy, so I don't know if we're gonna go any farther. And your girl has no jacket. Oh, it's cold. Yeah, this is getting bad. Man! Yeah, this looks like a ATV went on it. Yeah, I don't think we're going up this right now. Hey friends, the hubby and I are heading home. Rocky, what did you think of the trip? Little bye-byes. Did you have fun? I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Do it for Mr. Rocky.